Hello friends, we start our subject Unit 1, Lesson 1, History of Computer. Let us learn about early computing devices. Second is generation of computers, and third one is types of computer. Do you remember friends? Given below are some devices used for calculations. Sort the data in the order of which appeared first. Okay. First is stones, second is abacus, third is Leibniz calculator, fourth is Jacquard looms, fifth is, do you remember, ENIAC, sixth is EDVAC, seventh is different engines, eighth is desktop computer, and last one is laptop. Okay. Before the invention of computers, people used to do calculations using figures, stones, bones, and finger of their hands. Okay. Early computing devices. Let us learn about all the some of the early computing machines. Abacus was the first calculating devices. Simple calculations like addition and subtraction could be easily performed using abacus. यानी कि सिंपल कैलकुलेशन या ऐड करना या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना वो अबाकस के द्वारा होती थी. नेपियर्स बॉन्ड्स इन 1616 Sir John Napier invented a calculating device which was made of rectangular rods. It was called Napier box and could do calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Later, an improved version was developed that could be used for division and finding square roots. Okay. Pascal. In 1642, Blaise Pascal invented a calculating machine that and called it Pascal. It consisted of a rectangular box with 8 movable wheels, which could be calculated up to 8 figures. Leibniz calculator. Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz, a German mathematician and philosopher, designed a mechanical calculating device called Stabrechner in 1671. This device could be add, multiply, subtract and divide numbers. The Jacquard loom. The Jacquard loom, a mechanical loom, was invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard. This machine used puncher card. The puncher card controlled by the viewing of the clothes. Hardware mark 1. Howard Hawking, a professor, designed an electromechanical calculator in 1945. It is also known as ASC, Automatic Sequence Controlled Calculator. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numeric Indicator and Computer. It was the first general-purpose electronic computer. It was invented by J. Presper Expert and John Morgan. It was used for solving numerical problems. The ENIAC used about 1810 square feet area and 70,468 vacuum tubes and weighed 50 tons. UNIMAC 1. UNIMAC 1 is short for Universal Automatic Computer. It was also designed by J. Presper Expert and John Mauchly. It was the first commercial electronic computer. It held both numbers and textual data very well. Difference engine. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage invented the first mechanical computer. It was called the difference engine. It was designed to calculate polynomial functions. Now we go page number 3, analytical engine. In 1833, Charles Babbage invented the analytical engine which could be generate tables. It was the first calendar-performed computer and had a basic concept of input, output and memory devices that are found in modern computers. Okay. Now we learn about generation of computer. There are 5 generations of computers, each of which is characterized by a major technological development. First generation 1940 to 1956. The first generation computers are characterized by use of vacuum tubes. Characteristics: use magnetic drums, punch type tape was used both as an input device and output device. Had 1000 circuits per square feet, heavy and large in size and very expensive. Examples are ENIAC, EDSEC, UNIAC 1, UNIAC 2 and UNIAC 1101. Do you know, students? Charles Babbage is known as the father of the computer. Now we learn about second generation, which year 1956 to 1963. The second generation computers are used transistor for circuitry in place of vacuum tubes. Characteristics: about 1 lakh circuits per square feet, smaller in size than first generation computers, faster than the first generation computers, and less expensive. Examples are IBM 1400 series and 1600 series. Now we learn about third generation computer, which year 1964 and 1971. Okay. The third generation computers use integrated circuits. Characteristics: 10 million circuits per square feet, smaller in size than the second generation computers, faster and more accurate than the second generation computers, less expensive than the second generation computers. Examples are Honeywell 200, IBM System 360, ICL 1900. Now we go fourth generation 1971 to now. इसका मतलब present. The fourth generation computers use microprocessor. Characteristics: thousands of integrated circuits on a single chip, smaller in size, cheaper and faster, very easy to handle. Laptops and handheld devices were invented. Examples are IBM System 4300 and ICE 2900. Fifth generation computer, present and beyond. The fifth generation computers were based on artificial intelligence. This generation is still in development. आपने शायद रोबोट फिल्म देखी होगी, उसके बारे में ये बताया गया है. Characteristics: high speed, logic and memory chips, high performance, intelligent and has ability to take decision on its own. Examples are robots. Okay. Now we go our page number 5 and time to answer. First, analytical engine. Who? Charles Babbage. Napier's bonds, John Napier. UNIAC 1, John Mobley. Stafford Ragnar, Gottfried Leibniz. And last fast line is Blaise Pascal. Okay. Types of computer. Computers come in different sizes and types. They vary in speed, size and storage capacity. Computers are of the following types. 4 types के होते हैं. Microcomputers are also known as personal computers or PCs. PC is short form. Computer with a microprocessor as a central processing unit is known as a microcomputer. They are powerful machines and are widely used in schools, homes, shops and offices. These computers can fit on desks or tables and serve the best for single user tasks. Desktop computers, laptop and handheld devices fall under this category. Now we learn about mini computers. In terms of size and processing capacity, mini computers lie in between mainframe computers and microcomputers. Mini computers are also called mid-range system or workstations. The 12-bit PDP-8 and VEX are two popular examples of mini computers. Now we learn about mainframe computers. Mainframes are huge computers with extremely large memory and very fast computing speed. They are used for in large organization for highly complex applications. Examples of mainframe computers are IBM Z series, System Z9 and System Z10. Do you know, students? Param 8000 was India's first supercomputer. Okay. Now our last topic we learn about supercomputer. They are the most powerful computers in the world. They are used in weather forecasting, defense and space research, etc. Their processing capabilities and huge memory give them large computing powers. Cray XMP, CDC Cyber, and the Param 10,000 are popular supercomputers. Now I know abacus were the first calculating devices invented by man. There are 5 generations of computers, each of which uses different technologies. Computers are categorized into 4 varieties according to their speed, size and memory. Microcomputers are also known as personal computers. Mini computers are also called mid-range computers and lie between mainframe and microcomputers. Mainframe computers are huge computers with large memory and are used in large organizations to solve complex problems like Reliance, Tata, etc. Supercomputers are the most powerful computers. If any confusion, now I know, learn 2 times. Okay. Thank you.